Hello, and welcome to Teague's YouTube channel. My name is Haley, and I am back with yet another craft/experiment. I think it could fall into both categories today. So what we're going to do today is make rainbow paper. Now, there's probably a lot of different ways that you could have a piece of paper and make it into a rainbow, maybe even infinite ways. But today's method I have never heard of before. So what we need to do today's craft is some black construction paper. I have two pieces here. We need a bowl filled with water. It doesn't say how much, so just get a bowl and fill it up with water, I guess. Some scissors, some paper towels, and most importantly, some clear nail polish. So this is what is going to turn this into a rainbow, somehow. I'm not sure how yet, so we will see how it goes. But the first thing that we're gonna do is cut our construction paper. So in the instructions that I have, it cuts them into like little rectangles, but it does say that you can make it into any different shape. So right now, I'm going to do that and cut both of these papers into smaller pieces that will fit inside my bowl. Alright, so I just finished cutting up my papers and I ended up only using one sheet because it made a number of pieces, so if I need it, I have it. But most of them are just little rectangle shapes, but I did do some wavier edges and I even did a heart just to make it a little more fun. So we'll see how that goes. But I've laid out some paper towels next to my bowl of water. And the first step that we're gonna do is put a drop of nail polish, clear nail polish, into the bowl of water. So according to the instructions, it's really important to be very fast. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to do it fast enough, but what you wanna do is you wanna put one drop in, and then immediately, because it dries really fast, you wanna dip the paper into the water all the way under. So what I'm going to do is get my nail polish, and you want to make sure that you get enough on the brush that it's like ready to drip. So you want to swirl it around so there's a lot of nail polish on the brush. Get a piece of paper ready to submerge because I think it's going to be fast. So we'll have to be really quick. So I think I need more on my brush. Dropped my paper in. Looks like there's a little spot of rainbow, but I think I got nail polish on my finger. Okay, let's try that again. So there's some nail polish stuck floating around in the bowl of water. So let's try again. We'll get another piece of paper and we will get this ready with a drop of nail polish. Maybe I need a bit more so it'll drip right into the water. I'm not seeing much of a rainbow. I'm not quite sure what exactly is supposed to happen. So that little clip that you just saw was me messing up and trying to figure this out a million times. So I just tried it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe more. I might have thrown some away, at least 9 times, and I just finally figured it out. So I don't want to make you sit through 10 minutes of me messing up and not figuring out how to do it right. But I did want you to see that because I tried all these times before I finally figured it out. So that is just a quick little reminder that very often things don't work the way we want them to the very first time. So be patient, we're trying something new, and I think I figured out just how to do it. So I'm gonna move these guys to the side. I cut up some more paper, and now I'm gonna give it a try again and hopefully show you how to do it. So in the instructions it says that you have to move really, really fast, but I think that I moved a little bit too quickly. So when you drop the nail polish into the water, it dries quickly and it makes a sort of film. And I think I went a little bit too fast. So some of them, it looks like you can see the drop of nail polish and that's it. It doesn't look like a rainbow. But for this one that I think I finally figured it out on, I waited just a second and it looks like this. So now it's all the way coated. So I think that's the trick, is that you need to just be patient for just a second or two, let it kind of dry, see where it is, and then you can dip your paper into the water. So we're gonna try it again and see if we finally got it down. So I'm gonna do one drop into the water. This is the part that takes the longest, I feel like, is getting the nail polish to drop. So it dropped, it's all spread out now. I'm gonna drop my paper right on. Oh, it didn't quite work. So I think it had the right idea, but only the corner is that rainbow kind of look. So what are we gonna do? We failed again. It didn't work for us again, but we're gonna try again. So I'm gonna take another drop of nail polish, drop that right into the water. There we go. I can see it spread out. Nope, it didn't work again. So right now, we keep trying, and to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit frustrated. I was trying to figure this out so many times off camera, and then I finally felt like I got it and I could turn the camera back on and show you, and now it's not working again. So that's frustrating for me. But I saw one time that it could work really well, so I want to replicate that. So I'm going to try it again. Oops. I think that one worked a little bit better. It's not all the way, it's not quite like that first one, but there's quite a big spot in the middle that you can see the rainbow, and hopefully you'll be able to see it better once it dries more. I definitely have nail polish all across my fingers though, so no wonder it's not getting on the paper because it's all over my hands. All right, so let's see if doesn't seem like there's any stuck in the water. So let's try again. That one definitely seemed to work better, so I think I need to keep an eye on where the nail polish is in the water. Alrighty. All right, my friends. I was going to be disappointed if the heart didn't work, but I think it worked. You need like the right lighting to be able to see it, but I think it worked. So I'm gonna do one more try, and then I'm going to leave them out to dry, and I'll come back and show you my final products. waited a little while and my papers are now dry and I'm ready to reveal my final results. So I made a lot of them. You saw, I don't know if this will go, yep, you saw how many attempts I had. Some looks like some marshmallow, got some fluff got smeared on the paper. Some don't really look like much of anything, but a few of them finally came out really good, and I hope you'll be able to see them in the camera. So this one has a pretty good rainbow. Oh, it's on the back a little bit too. Little sparkly rainbow. Oh, with the light, there it is. So that one came out pretty good. The heart came out pretty good. So it kind of changes a little bit when you turn it in the sun. And then the other one that came out really good is this little rectangle. This is the best one, I think. I was really pleased with that. So if you're anything like me, I'm always trying new things that I see online, new activities and crafts and all that. Sometimes they work really well, sometimes they don't, but I'm really excited to show this one to you. And even though I tried like 15 plus times and I only got 3 that I think turned out really nice, it was a lot of fun, and I hope that you'll try this for yourself. See you next time.